Hello everyone, today I will show you how to remove or delete bookmark from a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. First I will select this PDF file bookmark, click on this sidebar panel arrow and this is bookmark option, click here. This PDF file have two bookmarks and this is first one and this second one and see this. So we will click on this bookmark and select and this is delete option, delete. Also you can delete this bookmark, click here and this is delete bookmark. Yeah. Also you can add new bookmark, click here and select new bookmark and rename this image and go in here and click on this bookmark and see this. And also you can delete this one, simply click here, delete. Yeah. And finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.